Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete pages on Word document. So if you also want to delete pages on Word document, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Microsoft Word. You can see over here, I've already opened Microsoft Word. After that, simply open the Word document from which you want to delete the page. You can see over here, I've already opened it. So you might want to delete a page of Word document. Doing it is very simple. There are various ways to do it. Let's say you want to delete the blank page. For that, what you have to do is go to the blank page. Let me just go to the blank page. So you can see the blank page over here. So if you want to delete the blank page, all you have to do is go to the top of the blank page. Simply click on the top of the blank page. Now all you have to do is press backspace on your keyboard. Simply press backspace. Now you can see over here that blank page has been deleted. Initially, I had 7 pages. Now, since the blank page has been deleted, I have 6 pages. Now, if you want to delete a page which contains the content, what you have to do is go to that page. Let's say you want to delete this page. Now, what you have to do is select all the content of the page. Simply click at the top of this page. Now, all you have to do is select all the content. Drag your mouse to the bottom of the page. Simply highlight all of the contents. Now you can see over here all of the content of this page has been selected. Now all you have to do is press backspace on your keyboard. Now you can see over here the page will be blank. Now simply click on the top of the page. Press backspace on your keyboard. Now that page has been deleted. You can see over here before there were 6 pages. Now it only has 5 pages. Let's say you have a lot of pages in the Word document and you cannot go to the page manually. In that case, what you have to do is look at top. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for home, insert, design, layout, references, mailings, review and view. All you have to do is click on the view option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be able to see several options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to see 3 options: ruler, grid lines, navigation pane. All you have to do is check the box of navigation pane. Now you can see over here navigation pane will be opened. You can see 3 options over here: headings, pages, results. Simply click on the option pages. Now all of the pages will be displayed over here. Now what you have to do is click on the page that you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete page number 2. Simply click on the page number 2. Now you can see over here page number 2 will be selected. Simply select all of the content of this page. Highlight all the contents. Now simply press backspace. Now you can see over here it has been deleted. Now I only have 4 pages. There is also another way to go to the page. What you have to do is simply press Ctrl Z on your keyboard. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Make sure Go To is selected. In Go To What section, you'll be able to see several options over here. Make sure page is selected. Now what you have to do is enter the page number. Simply click right over here. Now enter the page number. Now simply click on the Go To option that you can see right over here. Now close it. Simply click on the Close option. Now you can see over here you'll be led to that page. Now you'll have to follow the same process. Simply select all of the content. Place your cursor at the top. Now drag it to the down. Simply select all of the contents. Now press backspace on your keyboard. Now you can see over here that page also has been deleted. Now I only have 3 pages. So that is how you delete pages on Word document. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.